YouTube family, welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time here, my name's Vickie. Welcome to my kitchen. I'm wanting to share a recipe with you today. This is something I make on most vacations, and it is a fruit pizza. And it is a very light and refreshing dessert, or something you could just nibble on while you're at the beach, or even it's great for a potluck, a shower, a party, just to eat at home. I make them for, us just to eat at home too, like today. So anyway, I'm going to show you how I make my fruit pizza, and you can put any fruit on it that you like. But I'm going to do it in a different way. I'm using shortcuts, sort of Sandra Lee style, and it's going to make it go by so quick and easy, and I think you're going to like this idea. So let me show you how I make that. Guys, today I'm going to share one of my favorite things to eat during the summer. I'm going to make a fruit pizza, but we're doing it Sandra Lee style. I'm going to use sugar cookies instead of the dough like that you make or roll out. And the way I seen that you do it is, I've got my oven preheating to 350 like it says on the package, is you just put them together and you sort of just mash them down to make it like the dough, you know what I mean? So it don't have to be one thing. They sort of bake together, if that makes sense. I think it'll work. I hope it'll work. We'll see here. So the first thing we're going to do is bake our cookies. And like I said, I'm going to put these maybe even closer together than that and let them all bake together so that we have one big thing of cookie. And then after it cools, instead of my making my own frosting, I think this will be good. The Philadelphia cheesecake no bake. I think that'll be really good. This is also good to make little miniature cheesecakes. I may do a video on that too. I think it'd be real cute to use a vanilla wafer in the bottom, then put this on it, and then put your fruit on it. That would be a cute idea for a picnic or a potluck or a shower or a party. I think that'd be really cute. And then the fruit, you just put what you want on it. I've got some seedless grapes. We've got some pineapple chunks, a couple kiwis, some bananas. Oh, I've got mandarin orange I'm getting out too. That's my favorite. I've got some frozen strawberries. Now look, this was before I got my out of air vacuum bags. Look at that, how freezer burnt. So we may not even use these. I think I may put these back and use these for smoothies and my blueberries. Don't have to worry about that with out of air because it definitely seals them good. So I'm going to get me a can of mandarin oranges to use as well. Okay, I'm going to put these in the oven at 350 for 13 to 17 minutes. Okay, we've got our cookies out of the oven. See how that went together? Made like one big giant cookie. So I'm going to take our Philadelphia no-bake cheesecake spread, and I'm going to put it right over the top because the filling you make for this is typically, that I've used, has cream cheese and powdered sugar in it. And that's real close to what this tastes like. So I'm going to use it. And it's just like a whipped topping. Let me get my offset spatula here. Let me see here. I wonder if I should let it cool a little bit more. I think it's okay. My grandbaby comes home from school hungry every day. She eats lunch, but they eat real early because she's one of the lower grades. And I want her to eat something healthy. And I think she loves fruit. So I think that this will be a good snack for her today. So I'm going to make that. And her mommy and daddy and Sissy can eat it too. Papa, I don't know if he likes fruit pizza, but I do. I love it. Especially on a hot sunny day, which it's not today. It's 55 and cold and rainy. in the middle of May. It's ridiculous, ain't it? Okay. All right. Now, we're going to take, okay, I'm going to take my oranges and I'm going to put them all around the edges, the perimeter of it. I love these little oranges, and it don't have to be beautiful. Of course, you can make it look pretty, but it don't have to be. I'm playing diner with my grandbaby that I watch, and she's hollering at me for something. I fixed her dinner in there. I don't know what she's wanting now. She's got her 2 baby dolls with her eating. And I got them something to eat too, but she's hollering about something. You're finished? Okay, then. I'll be right there, ma'am. I'm making a special order for a customer, okay? Okay? She's not like her sister. She knows a little bit about YouTube, but her sister's all about it. If she was here, she'd be right in on this action. So if I want to film a video before she gets home, I got to do it quickly. She's a sight. She likes being in on Grammy's videos, and that's perfectly fine. And you know what? They'll get to look back on these when I'm gone and think, Grammy, let me help her make that. And that's okay, you know? Okay, now let's take some kiwi and put it on here. I'm not crazy about kiwi, but I thought it would be pretty, the color. This one was not real sweet when I sliced it, but it'll work. It will work for sure. Okay, now I'm going to put some grapes. These are seedless grapes. And then after I get this all fixed, I will put it in the refrigerator to let it chill, because it definitely tastes better after it's chilled, I think. I cut that grape for my grandbaby and she didn't want it. Grapes scare me when it comes to my grandbabies. They're a big choking hazard. Let's put some pineapple. This is just some I cut up. Some chunks. Oops. I love pineapple, especially when it's good and sweet. And this one was pretty good. I think strawberries would be good on here, but my strawberries I put in the freezer, and they did not look the best. I think I'm going to go ahead and add some more grapes. I love a lot of grapes, and I love a lot of the oranges too. All right, got that. Oh, I know what, I forgot my banana. Okay. Well, we're adding it anyway, people. I laid them out here so they wouldn't turn brown, and I still forgot about them. But I think she's going to be excited for this fruit pizza. I know I am. I know my son will be. He loves it. I used to make this a lot in the summertime when my kids were little. They loved it. It's a good way to get their fruit in. And like I said, on a hot day, it's very refreshing and yummy. So, yeah. Now, like I said, this is not the prettiest one I've ever made, but we're going for flavor. And that's okay. I'm going to holler at my grandbaby to come here and see what she thinks of it. Sissy, come here and look what Grammy made. This big cookie. Come here and look and see what you think about it. Can you see it? Right here. Look. What do you think of that? What do you think?
I thought I did like that.
Do you think you like it?
No.
You don't like it? You don't like Grammy's cookie? Aubrey Elizabeth.
I do like bananas.
You don't like bananas?
And
You do too like
almonds.
bananas. You eat bananas all the time.
And
What do you like on
I
it?
want those.
Grapes, kiwi.
I do like kiwi grapes.
You don't like kiwi or grape? You do like grapes and bananas. And I don't know if you like kiwi. Do you like pineapple?
No.
No. Okay, you all, you heard it. My little critic here. The other one, she'll eat anything, so I know she'll love it. All right, I hope you all enjoyed me putting this together for you. We're going to give it a taste test. Okay, we're going to try this fruit pizza here. I think right here looks like a good piece. And the way the cookies are, it makes it easier to cut is what I meant to say. So there we go. See the cookie? It's good. Oops. I went my grape. You could even do individual ones for like a party. That would be cute. I think that cheesecake frosting is good on that filling. It's yummy. Let me know if you all ever make fruit pizza and what you like to put on yours. I would have put some strawberries if I had fresh, but I put all mine in the freezer. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, I invite you to subscribe to my channel. If you haven't done that, give me a thumbs up if you want to see more of this type of content. I thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. God bless. Bye.